Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Shay. Hey. And today I'm gonna show you guys how I went from this to this. Getting a professional looking pedicure at home. Manicures, pedicures. That's what I'm gonna start doing, you guys. I hope you guys missed me. I have been making jewelry, as you guys can see, all of the copper jewelry that I am wearing in my videos. I do hand make and I sell. So if you guys want to check out any of my jewelry, please check the link in my description. Thank you. Anywho, I went ahead and showed you guys my previous set, which was that blue French tip. I took everything off. I filed everything down, but I did not completely file all the product off, you guys. So I am going in with this file to just kind of get the rest of the polygel off. I did not use acetone, but normally you guys would use acetone to remove the rest of your polygel. Um, yeah, so I'm basically shaping up my natural nails right now. The only toenail that has a tip on it is my second one. I am going to go in and put tips on the other ones. I like my toenails a little bit on the longer side, and for some reason when my toes grow long, they do not grow, they grow round, they don't grow square, so I use square tips. Sometimes I use full cover tips and sometimes I use these half cover tips. Today I'm using these half cover tips and I will go ahead and link them down below. Basically, all I'm doing is getting the correct size. I put tips on every toe except for my pinky toe. My pinky toe is real long, so I don't really need any enhancements for that. Um, so yeah, please go ahead and like this video. Comment if you are a OG, you've been here. Comment if you guys missed me. I hope you guys see me on other platforms. I have been doing jewelry, so that's what we've been doing. I have not forgotten about you guys though, so what I'm gonna start doing, actually, before I even get into that, what I'm doing right now, I am putting base coat on my nail beds and adhering my tips with the base coat. If you guys do not want to wear tips, just put the base coat on. Skip this step. Okay, you can skip this step. Just make sure you have a very clean surface. Um, your nail beds are completely like dehydrated, don't have any oils on it, so the product doesn't pop off. And go ahead and probably like clean it with like rubbing alcohol or acetone. Acetone is going to get it really, really dry. 91% alcohol is going to get it there too. So if you have acetone or alcohol, go ahead and dry off, like clean off the oils and everything from your nail beds and then put your base coat on and go ahead and wait for the next step. If you guys are with me and doing tips, I am just after adhering all the tips, I went ahead and clipped those nails down to where I wanted them to be. Um, and then I also do this, you guys, to make my toenails a little bit more on the stronger side. Not saying that my nails are weak, but this is also the toe. That's the toe that came off, you guys. I don't know if you guys have been here and remember the story when my whole toenail popped off. That toenail has grown back. It's fully back, and it's the one with the cat on my foot. It's that toe. But I still put tips on all of my toes except for my pinky toes just for the structure of it all and because I like my toenails to be a little bit longer and squared instead of long and round. Um, so yeah, I am just putting base coat on that again. So after adhering the tips, I went ahead and put another base coat over that to basically even out the layers. So you can't really tell that I have tips on unless you like really look really hard. But yeah, gonna go ahead and put base coat on, cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then what we're gonna do after this, we are just going to go ahead and thicken this up a bit with I'm using builder gel. Normally I would do poly gel, but we're gonna do some builder gel because everybody can't use polygel. Like some people have problems and issues with polygel, so this is an alternative to the polygel. Um, when I don't feel like doing all the extra work of polygel, I use builder gel. So I use either builder gel or rubber base coat. So as you can see, I just went ahead and like rubbed off a lot of the product onto my nail for the first layer. Um, I'm doing that to go ahead and like level this out, just to get that indentation from the tip out of the way. And then I'm going to do another, so that the first layer is super thick, and then the second layer is kind of thick, and then the third layer is like a top coat basically, but with the builder gel. So you want two thick layers and one thin layer. Okay. It doesn't matter how thick you do them, it just kind of depends on you. I like my toes a little bit thicker, on the thicker side. So I'm going to do two thick layers. The first layer is going to be thicker than the second layer, and so on and so forth. So once you guys do that, you want to make sure you cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. I'm using my handheld lamp, but you guys can use a bigger lamp. I went ahead and did both feet and finished both feet off of camera. But like I said, you want to make sure the first layer and the second layer is thick and the third layer is not so thick. Now, if you want a French tip, you can go in with a cover color like this. I am going to do, as you guys can see from the beginning, I did a full red set this time, but I am showing you guys what you can do if you guys want to do French tips. You can use a cover color, or you can use a pink and mix it with a clear, or a nude and mix it with a clear and make it a sheer cover color to go over this, and then do your French tip after that. I, however, am going to go in with all red on every toe. I just wanted to make sure I covered this for the girlies that want to go ahead and do French tips, or just do a regular cover color, whatever floats your boat, you know? But as you can see, okay, so that's how the color came out. That was like two coats of that pink cover color. I can link that down below for you guys. It came with like nude and other few pinks as well. So I can go ahead and link that for you guys. But as far as my color, I am doing red, and it's called Goddess from the Nail Reserve. And firstly, I like to go in with a liner brush to get around my cuticle line and all of that. So I won't have any, like, imperfections. I like it as perfect as possible. I don't always do full color, so I want to make sure that it's perfect, basically. So I like to use a liner brush first, and then I like to go in with the regular nail brush from the nail polish and complete the rest. So, yep. Please let me know if you guys have any questions. Please comment down below. If you guys are still watching, put a pink heart in the comments. Um, yeah, I have missed you guys so much. And so basically, while we're doing this nail color, we are going to talk about what the plans are. So the plan is to post. I'm either going to do every other week or every week with a color change, and maybe like a design here or there. But I recently, like, it dawned on me after doing all these nail sets, you guys, I remember taking them off because I couldn't stand all of the designs. So I prefer to be my authentic self, and my authentic self, I am going to only be doing my natural nails and my feet. Also, before I continue, um, I do like to go ahead and put a little bit of color on the like underneath, not the underneath, but like the edges of the nails, just to make it look a little bit more cleaner. You don't have to do this part, but it looks much better in my opinion when you do. So yeah, I went ahead and did, I believe, 2 to 3 layers of that color, and now we're just going in with top coat, and that's basically mostly it. But yeah, back to what we were talking about. Um, I am going to be doing, like I said, I'm on my natural nail journey. So even though I do overlays with polygel and stuff, I am trying to grow my natural nails. So that's what we're doing. I'm going to be doing fills and color changes, pamper days, like stuff like that, because I realized once I stopped focusing so much on nails, I stopped doing my nails, and I like feeling pretty. So we're going to be doing our nails, and we're going to stay and stick to a schedule. So I'm thinking like Thursdays is going to be my days for posting. So yeah. I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and I know that you guys can see how crazy my nails look. So the next video is going to be me doing my hands, and I'm going to do them the same exact color, and I'm also going to be doing a polygel fill because my nails are always going to be polygel for the most part. That's what I prefer. So yes, please like this video up if you guys have not. Please comment down below if you guys are still here. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys so much for being here. And also, if you guys want any toe rings or any rings, bracelets, anything like that, my jewelry website will be linked in my description. That's where I spend most of my time. I create most of the time, probably every day throughout the week. So, yeah, if you guys want to support me, it will be down in the description. Once again, I hope you guys are having a beautiful week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I went ahead and oiled up my crusty dusty cuticles, and they came out so cute. I actually like how red looks on my feet. Usually I don't like full colors, and y'all know that. If you've been here, you know I'm a French tip girly to the death. To the death. But here's the finished results. Also, I made these little barefoot sandals. They're so cute. They have bells on them and stuff. I also sell those as well. They're linked in my description and on my website. So yes, all these toe rings and the barefoot sandals, they are available if you guys would like to purchase any. Um, they're kind of like sound healing. That's exactly what they are. They're sound healing because they have bells. Bells carry a lot of benefits, you guys, especially with all the stuff going on right now. We need a little bit more protection. So, yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn that post notification bell if you guys have not. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.